Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Google Chrome browser on your Mac. It's pretty easy. First open any browser that you currently have. So you should have Safari on your Mac by default, and then search for Google Chrome. Then open the Google Chrome website and click on download Chrome. And it will start downloading. It will be either displayed here or somewhere else. Let's wait until it comes to an end so we can open it. And now it's downloaded, so you can either open it from here, or if you can't find it here, just go to Finder and go to Downloads. Then you can see the Google Chrome.dmg file. Double click on it to open it, and it will open this pop-up window. Just drag the Google Chrome into the Applications folder. Then it will start copying, and after a few seconds, it will be ready. We can now close out of this window, and the Google Chrome is already installed from now. But before opening, I suggest you doing two things. First, deleting this file, so you can just drag it to the trash, like that. And also, I suggest you ejecting the Google Chrome drive, so it will be in the locations or on your desktop, and you can just double click on it with two fingers to open the context menu, or slide it to the trash, and then it will eject. And now you can just go into Launchpad and find Google Chrome. You can open it, then it will take a while for the first launch, because it has to verify the app. Now click on Open, and the app is opened. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.